Get me out of here.
Hannah, you're getting up. Stomach. Oh.
Do the date. Today is.
Oh, you're up. Hi, April 17. Huh?
Today's April 17th, 2009, and today is the first day she went from lying on her stomach to sitting up.
Yeah, this is the first step to starting to crawl. Let's do it again, Hannah.
Okay.
Let's show everyone what you can do.
I don't want to be in there.
Okay, Mommy, put her on her stomach.
Ouch.
I go.
Oh, she doesn't want to go on her stomach.
Put her on her stomach. It's okay. Then she'll be faster to get up.
She won't.
Okay, Hannah, come on. Be cooperative. Aw, look at that. Aw. Hannah. There you go. Are you learning how to crawl?
Stomach, Hannah.
Okay, there you go.
Now get up.
Get up, Hannah. It's like, stop bothering me. You know how much... Uh-huh.
Why can't you get up now? There you go. Scoot back.
Yay!
Doing! Yay! Hannah! Hannah! Yay!
She wants to play with her toy. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.